What is the cosmological argument? The cosmological argument is a philosophical argument for the existence of God. It is a simple argument that has stood the test of time not because of its truth, but because of the subtlety of its disproof. So what is the cosmological proof, then? The argument goes like this. 1. What exists can also not exist. 2. That which exists must have a cause which caused its existence. 3. An infinite number of causes ultimately means no first cause. Therefore, there must be a first, uncaused cause which is God. Is this it? Is this the end of the God debate? Does the cosmological argument hold? There surely must be a first cause, right? Let's take a look at the premises themselves. The first premise, what exists can also not exist, can be accepted, without argument. The classic counter. The classic counter to the cosmological argument lies within the second premise, which asserts that if something exists, then something had to cause it to exist. So then, what caused God? A greater God. Then who caused that God? An even greater God. And so on, ad infinitum. But according to premise 3, an infinite regression of causes, or gods, is just silly. There must have been a first, uncaused cause, which is, of course, God. But does it follow that the first uncaused cause is God? No. There are two reasons why. One is that of insufficient identity, and the other involves a Franciscan monk born in Occam, England. To say that the first cause is God is to raise the question, which God? Abraham's God? Ahura Mazda? Odin? Brahma? All of those gods, plus many more, are credited with creating the universe. But maybe there is only one real God. Which one is outside the scope of this argument? Nonetheless, until that question is settled, the God conclusion fails on identity. The monk mentioned earlier is William of Occam. What does a 14th century monk have to do with it? Let me ask this. Why can't the universe itself be the uncaused cause? We know without a doubt that the universe exists. We are in it. We are a part of it. We are made from it. All of this is demonstrable. Thus, to add a creator of the universe is to add another layer of explanation to one already sufficient. Occam's razor, named after William of Occam, says that given two equal explanations, the one with the fewer assumptions is usually the correct one. Thus, with judicious application of Occam's razor, we can lop off the God explanation. The cosmological argument can successfully argue that the universe itself is the uncaused cause. Thus, God is unnecessary.